Hey fam, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am the Cannabis Queen. Yes, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. You know what? It don't even matter if you don't like. Some of y'all just don't like me. I get it. Like I read some of the comments, I'm like, Lord, what did I get myself into? But how about we just, call a truce today, right? And just subscribe and like if you like it and share the video if that's okay, if you want to do something like that. But hey, this is going to be a great video today because we have some good news in the cannabis front, right? So I don't know if you guys are already up and investing and got your accounts going. I hope so. We're moving right along. If you are paying attention to your portfolio, you already see that things are popping. Like it is getting really good, right? Really good. And so today we're just going to be kind of going over some things. Some of you are already hit me up and like, do you see what this one is doing or that one is doing? We're down today. We're in the red, but we've been having some good days, right? Most of my portfolio anyway is in the red, but this is a great opportunity to buy. Listen, do not let the red days scare you. Do not let, when you see your account size drop, then don't be upset about things like that. That's the part of this journey. That's what we're going to be going through as we progress through the years. It is going to get so much better than it is now. And if you've had your account any amount of time, you are already experiencing some growth. So don't be afraid. Don't get annoyed. Don't get upset. This is just a part of the journey, right? And so I wanted to kind of go through and look at, some of these positions that we're in. CGC is down a little bit, of course, but that is one of those cannabis stocks that you definitely want to pay attention to. There is nothing but potential in CGC. Of course, you always want to do your homework. You know my disclaimer. I forgot. Let me go back. Rewind. Okay. I am not your financial advisor. I am not giving financial advice. This is for entertainment purpose only, educational purpose only. You have to speak with your financial advisor before you take any risk. And of course, there's always potential chance that you could lose your investment when you invest in the stock market. Okay, so just so you are clear about that, I am not your financial advisor. We're just talking, having a good conversation. Wherever you go from here, it's really on you. Okay, all right, so let's get it. Let's just look at some possibilities. Let's just look at some things that you might want to pay attention to as you are on this journey, right? And so we're going to just look at a few of those. Yesterday we looked at MR, MW, we looked at just a few. We picked out, I think we looked at MRMD, and MRMD is Marimed, MARIMED, Marimed Incorporated, and they are trading right now for about $4.50. They're down a little bit, and so when the stocks are down, especially if this is something that you are really feeling, moved to invest in, you always want to get it when it's down. Like we buy low and we sell high. That's the methodology. That's the whole point of investing. We are not married to any of these stocks. We are just dating. Some of them are side chicks or side dudes, that we just see every now and again, but they are not here to stay. Okay, so don't marry these stocks. We are in this to make money. All right, so that's one. Definitely CRON. Like CRON is the best that, one of the best potential that I love. So do your research, don't just buy it because I say buy it. Do your research and go out there and see if you can find any information, news articles, earnings reports, financials, anything that can give you some more insight on the company. But definitely CRON. Love that one. Okay. And you want to, get diversify your portfolio, pharmaceuticals, security, technology. Cannabis is going to run the gamut. Everything is going to be involved in cannabis. So everyone is trying to get in. Tobacco industries, pharmaceutical industries, education, just everybody. There's no industry, my mind just went blank. Constellation brands, which means that there's branding companies that's trying to come into the industry and actually, label and get some of these bigger companies to come in and actually incorporate hemp and cannabis type products into their company. So you're seeing Pepsi get involved and Coca-Cola get involved and all these different companies, and they may not be necessarily pushing cannabis, but hemp or derivatives of cannabis, which is, still the same thing if you ask me. So you see energy drinks that now have CBD oils in them and all these different things, hair products and skincare and all these different things that are now starting to really get involved, which means that there are just more opportunities for investors. So get involved. All right. So let's see here. Hemp, HEMP. That's a really penny stock play, right? Y'all know how I feel about penny stocks, so we're just gonna touch on that and keep it moving. But HEMP, Kush bottles, definitely. I think I always talk about Kushco. I think Kush is going to be one of those ones that's really going to grow as this industry continues to grow. It's trading for $5.49 today or thereabout in that area. So definitely put that on your radar if you're not paying attention to that one. I have so many. I mean, I'm going to have to really start kicking up these videos because there are so many great opportunities out there. I think I filmed a video yesterday, but I didn't like the way it came out, so I'm not quite even sure I'm going to publish that. But this one today, I think I'm kind of covering some of those that I covered yesterday. You have to know APHA, your Canadian stocks. APHA, definitely want to pick up or definitely pay attention to some of the things that they're doing, and go through and read your news articles. Just see if you can get some good information. If you guys have something that I'm missing and you think, you know what, Cannabis Queen, you need to look over there, like I'm missing it, okay, let me know in the comments. You don't have to just leave me ugly stuff. Tell me, if you find something that's great, then leave that for me and I will definitely give that a look, and then we can dialogue about it, and maybe in our dialogue some people can see what we're looking at and they can go and investigate that for themselves. But let me know if you see something that I need to pay attention to. Acreage Holdings is actually Joe Montana's company, and he's an NFL Hall of Famer. So there's all these athletes and movie stars and what do you call these celebrity people getting involved. We have just people coming out of the woodworks now trying to get involved in cannabis, and that's a good thing. Like, we're not shooting anyone down. It's a great thing, but you want to make sure that you do your homework on the company, make sure that it's legitimate and that they do have some really good growth potential. All right, so far we covered APHA, HEMP, MRMD, Kushco, KSHB. Of course, your Scott's Miracle Grow. That's always going to be one. TLRY is, it kind of took off, then it came back a little bit, then it took off again. So now it's still trading at a very affordable level. If you ask me, it's trading around $77 a share, which is something, you want to build up your positions, right? I always tell you to, stake your claim, stay there, build that, tower as high as you can afford to, and then start on your next project. But make sure you finish that one first, right? TLRY is an excellent place to look, to add some real bulk to your portfolio. So definitely, give TLRY some attention. Make sure you're looking at some, really sound information. Use more than one resource. Just don't go to marijuanastocks.com and just start picking out things. That's not how you do this. You really have to do your research, right? You really have to look at the company, Google some things, read other articles, make sure you're getting information from a legitimate site, Forbes, Bloomberg, Wall Street, Market Watch, those type of things, and just see what the companies are saying and what their growth potential is. Find out when the earnings are coming out. Listen to the conference calls. The numbers are published. Listen to that information. Find out when they're holding podcasts. They do great podcasts on these companies. You can get some information. You can even maybe get your questions answered. So by all means, do that. All right. So we talked about CRON. Of course, you have your other larger companies like Amazon and all that that's going to come in, CBS. You have some different options there. I don't want to push anything like that, but I definitely think you want to pay attention to those. So I just wanted to step in today. And like I said, I kind of want to do some research on my own, kind of keep going, maybe give you some different places to look every day. If you are interested in investing in cannabis, you definitely want to learn how to do your research. If you guys know of any companies brokers that we may need to be looking at that you find are really, really easy to work with and really, as far as cannabis is concerned, please put those down in the comments, because I'm always pushing TD Ameritrade. I have no affiliation with them. They don't give me a dime. We have never had any interaction besides the fact that they hold my portfolio. But we do have different companies out there. Charles Schwab. We have Trade King. We have, these people keep sending me inbox messages and hitting me up on IG and asking me, okay, well, does this company, can I invest with cannabis with this company and this company and that company? And I think some of these companies are just these mobile apps that allow for you to sign up, and they take whatever change left you have. Say you went and bought an ice cream cone and, you spent $1.50. It's going to take that other 50 cents and put it in the market for you. Well, I think that's great. And, those companies are great. I just don't necessarily know if they're the kind of broker you need for this type of management. I don't know. If you guys know of someone that is allowing for you to actually do that type of thing, let me know. I don't mind sharing that on the channel and making sure that everyone knows that there's other places that we can actually, place our monies to be able to invest with. So I don't have a problem with that at all. Just let me know. I don't know everything, so I need you guys to help me out. All right. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm not going to make these extra long. I'm just going to be checking in. I'm going to do a little bit of research. I'm going to try to shoot a couple of videos every week. I've been picking up, if you guys didn't notice, I've been picking up my YouTube. I'm actually shooting videos. Some of the ladies were like, I want to know about makeup. So I've shot some makeup videos. Those are going to be for my makeup ladies who want to see how I do my makeup. I know the fellas like, I can care less. Tell me about the cannabis stuff. But if you are, I'm going to leave the link for that below as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share. See you in a few days. Thank you guys. See you later.